In this video, let us discuss a question on trigonometry. Which of the following best approximates sine 0.5 degrees? Options: A. 0.5, B. 0.5 into pi by 90, C. 0.5 into pi by 180, or D. 0.5 into pi by 360. Solution. Let us recall few facts from trigonometry. First is the small angle approximation. That is, sin x equals x for small radian values of x. Secondly, 1 degree equals pi by 180 radians. Using fact 2, we get 0.5 degrees equals 0.5 into pi by 180 radians. Obviously, 0.5 into pi by 180 radian is a small angle, and hence we can apply small angle approximation. Thus, sin 0.5 into pi by 180 equals 0.5 into pi by 180. Hence, option C is the right answer to the question.
Hope you all like this video. For more videos and update on the upcoming free classes, you can be part of a WhatsApp group and Telegram group. To be part of the WhatsApp group, you can just text to this number, and to be part of the Telegram group and Telegram channel, you can just search Christy's classes in Telegram. In the Telegram group, daily live free quizzes happen at 9 p.m. on General Aptitude. You can be part of that quiz also. And if you want live free classes for General Aptitude, you can download Unacademy mobile application and search this profile Christy Varghese, and you can see 300 plus pre-recorded videos, and upcoming daily live classes happen at 11 a.m. Monday to Friday, 11 a.m. free classes happen in this profile. So you're welcome to attend this free classes also, and more YouTube video details are given here. And these are the details of the full courses or the paid courses in Unacademy platform, which you can get by taking Unacademy Plus subscription with the referral code CC10. Hope to see you in the upcoming video. Thank you.